Yeah, top.
Hey guys, hope you're all doing well and I'm wishing you all in good health. If you don't know me, I am Sana and I make YouTube videos, and this is my third video on YouTube, and today I'll be doing this neutral look I'm wearing right now using this palette. I think this was the most requested palette, like when I used to make videos on Insta. People used to message me कि जी do tutorials using this palette, and here I am using this palette. I'll be creating a few more looks with this, but for now I created this neutral look, like everyone can wear it. So yeah, and I'll be reviewing this one. I totally love this palette. It is for around, I think, 1200 or something, but it is very good deal. You get 48 mattes and 48 makhmali shades, which are these shimmers, and honestly, let me tell you, these shades are so good. Like the makhmali one especially, they're so creamy, they glide on like butter, seriously. And I like the mattes as well, but they are not too consistent. Like some of them are really good, really pigmented, but some of them they aren't pigmented, they are chalky and hard to blend. But and some of the matte shades, what they do is that when you put them on, they look really nice, but with time they just fade off. I don't know if it's with me or it happens to you as well. If it happens to you, comment down below, I would love to know. But anyways, I love the shimmers, they're too good. I just showed them to you. Yeah, here. Just shimmers are too good, like seriously, they're too good. Anyways, I highly recommend this palette because you can create so much with this one palette. If you're a beginner, go for it. This is something you will reach out for like every day, or anytime you're creating any sort of look. You can create neutrals from it, you can create glam looks from this palette. So I think this palette gets I think 8 out of 10 because it's too good. And if you guys want to see any particular look using this palette, do let me know, I'll create that as well. And moving on, I have one more thing. I have some Pierre Cardin, if I'm pronouncing the name right, products as well. They were sent to me so that I can review them for you guys. I've used a couple of these in my in this video. I'll be sharing my review as I use them, so do look out for them in this video. And yeah, actually some of them were broken when they got to me, so I haven't used them because they would have spilled all over me. But the ones I've used, I have reviewed them in this video as well. Do look out for that. And yeah, they have spilled. So I think enough of the chit chat. Now we should just get into the video. So I have this palette right here. I'll be doing a very neutral look that can go with any lip color possible. And for my transition shade, I'll be going with this one over here. I used to post my tutorials on Instagram. A lot of people used to message me and ask me to do a makeup look with this palette. So here I am. I'll be doing makeup look with this one.
I this palette because a lot of people requested it. So here's the neutral look, and I'll be doing a party look and stuff like that. The color payoff is fine. I think some of the shades are really good and pigmented, but some are not so pigmented, so I think it is a good deal.
It's best to build the color up rather than just putting one blob of color. That will be so hard to blend.
Lid, I'll go with something more festive, if that makes sense. I think I'll go with the shimmers over here. I might go with this gold one. I think I'll go with this one. This gold one right here.
Shimmers in this palette, they are so pigmented and they're so creamy. Like you don't have to put a fixing spray on your brush to put them on. They're so nice and they just blend so well. I love these. So I have a few products of Pierre Cardin as well. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. These products were sent to me so that I can review them for you guys. So I'll be using a few of them right now, not the entire thing because I'm already done with half of my face. So I'll be using their blush, their highlighter, their lipstick, and most probably their kohl pencil as well. So let's see. I have two lip options as well. So I'll be showing you guys how this looks with two different lip options. So I think before going into anything else, I'll be putting on this blush. It has few sparkles of glitter too. Let's see how it works on the skin. Just about right. I'm using these products for the first time, so it's like a very light sheer color on the skin, which is fine for people. I think it is good for daytime, like if you're going out you can wear this. It has a bit of sheen to it too. Now they have this highlighter too. It is called the terracotta highlighter. I'll be using this. I think this product did work for me. It's like 4 out of 10. I really like the blush though. I think I'll give it 7 out of 10. And I'll be using their pencil as well. It's their black pencil. The pigmentation of the pencil is good, but I think it is a little bit difficult to put it on the eyes. Like, it's not too creamy. It's just fine. It's not too hard to put on, but it's not too creamy. I give it I think 5 out of 10. Now I'll be trying their lip products. This is a liquid lipstick and this one's a regular lipstick. I'll be using both of these and will be sharing how they look with this look I'm wearing right now. I really like the shade, but it's something I won't wear. Like, I don't go for such colors. I go for like corals or I go for dark shades. I don't go for such shades because I don't know, I think they don't suit me. But if you're a person who likes such color, the formula of the lipstick is really good. It just glides on really nicely and I don't feel my lips are drying. It's very hydrating lipstick, you can say. So I really like it, but it's not something I'll reach for every day. So here it is, I'm wearing it right now. I think the formula of this lipstick is also good, but I like the other lipstick better. This isn't making my lips dry. It is comfortable on the lips. Like I like how it feels on my lips, but the thing is I am not a person who goes for glossy lips. If you are a person who likes gloss, then go for this lipstick. It's really good. I think I'm really impressed with their lipsticks. Baki sab was just fine, but these are really good. They are good on the lips. They don't make your lips dry. And overall I think the color is really good. I really like red, but अगर matte होती तो बहुत अच्छा होता, but it's okay. I really like it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see any particular look, just comment down below. I'll do that, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.